That's how I feed my babies. It's for my doggies. Brown rice. We got raw chicken over here. I put it in the oven for like 5-10 minutes just to get, so they don't catch the salmonella. You know what I'm saying? Wash the chicken off real good. And put it in the oven, like I said, for like 5 minutes. And I rinsed it off again to cool it back off so it's not hot when I give it to them. And then I also mix this with the dog food. I haven't got to that point yet because I just got off the stove. But this is how I feed my dogs. I feed them to them at least 2 times a week. This is what I do. Brown rice is healthy. It's very healthy. If the dog is in the wild,
meat is what they would eat in the woods.
They would eat their food.
I just have my own little recipe with it.
So I just wanted to show just a little something what I do for my dogs. And now I'm finna go out here. I'm finna feed my babies. You know? Doses. Yeah, but that's how I feed my doggies. I cut the meat off the bone so they don't actually eat the bone because the bone actually breaks up in splinters. So that way I ain't got to worry about my dogs swelling up, none of the other stuff. I take the brown rice, I mix the brown rice, I cut up the chicken inside here as well. And that's how I feed my babies. It's raw meat. And that is what it is. And this is how I feed my babies. I got to get the rest of them. That's just only one bowl I made for right now until I get off this phone and actually be able to do what I do because I'm holding the phone with one of my hands, as y'all can see. But yeah, that's it and that's all. A little old school, you know, running around on the bicycle early morning, you know. The old school way, man. This is the old school way. Trying to get her started on this. The first day she ever tried to get on it. This macaca meal is complete. First time ever building it, you know what I'm saying? But I made it do what it do. Girl don't want to get on it yet, so I guess I'm gonna try my other doggies. But I just wanted to show it.